everyone. My name is Richard Seroder, and welcome to my course, DevOps: The Big Picture. I'm a director of product management at Google Cloud and a longtime practitioner and student of DevOps. I've both lived it and observed it for almost a decade. Can you buy DevOps? Or is this just something you should wait out until the next IT fad comes along? I think the answer to both of those questions is no. No, in fact, in this course, we're going to learn all about the essence of DevOps, why you should do it, and what starts to change as you adopt this approach to delivering more customer value faster. Some of the major things we're going to cover include the pain points with software delivery that DevOps aims to address, what DevOps is and isn't, changes you'll see in your culture, your organization, and your practices, and some of the technologies that are part of a DevOps transition. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge to explain what DevOps is about, and importantly, you'll know which subtopics you want to explore more deeply. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn what DevOps is all about with this DevOps: The Big Picture course here at Pluralsight.